Hey guys, back with another video here, and today I'm here with Nosy, and today we're going to be building a compressor farm. Hope you enjoy. Anything you want to say, Nosy?
W.
Yep. Okay, let's start. We can do it about right here.
Observers. You can raise your big body.
I'll just buy some more pipes.
Oh, we're doing this part.
Yeah.
Guys, instead of pipes, do diagonal conveyors facing you.
Yes, if you're not level 6.
How do you measure your camera? So, have one facing in like that, and then one facing in like that. So, it's pointing in the middle. That's if you don't have
But we're just doing it like that.
Because he's like 7.5.
And guys, you're going to want to place water and then...
Lava in the middle.
Yes.
Where have you got the exact amount of pipes?
Okay, and let's get going. Boom.
Get 2 big boy compressors.
I know all the things I need to get.
Yeah, you better. I just had to practice on my phone earlier.
Yes.
Actually, though, we need a hydraulic press.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
You would do it.
I do.
Sort of.
Okay, let's go.
Hudson, I'll show you exactly. I'm just gonna do it. Honey, what happened to all your parts? Oh, gonna need more parts. Parts.
Oh, yeah.
More parts. They're really good on top. Honey, it is just missing your infinite water source.
Oh.
Whee!
Oh no, it does hit my infinite water source. I'll have to make it somewhere else.
No, to be okay, it's really close.
Nah, I don't want that happening.
Which farm we're gonna connect it to?
Connected to the closest farm, which is my cobble.
The pipes, please. Pipes.
Oh, more pipes.
We love our pipes over here.
Now let me just place enough, get enough so that I won't have to get pipes again.
That's what I think you've got enough pipes.
Nope.
Are you sure?
And about now.
Hey.
1,000 pipes, that should do.
That's how to do it. Once you're ready, you're just gonna connect your pipes up to my pipes.
I want to see my piping.
It's blocked. Isn't it? It's blocked.
And then now we've got to finish. Hey, we're not finished with it.
That's Rosie done.
Now I'm just going to be doing it.
I'm gonna build like 10 billion more layers.
So what?
Almost. Basically, almost at my next one. And there's like 200 billion. 200 billion. 40.
I need 100 billion.
Yeah, because you're a cheap boy.
No, I don't think that's the reason. Yep, that's how you do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell so on post notifications. Anything you want to say, Nosy?
Our next video is going to be a banging video.
Yep, banger video. Peace.